episode number 124 of Adventures in Welding. I'm Paul, thanks for joining me. This is part 2 of our aluminum MIG welding series. In part 1, we set up the Eastwood MIG250 with this really nice spool gun. And in this part, I've got some samples here. I've got some 1/8 inch plate. I'm sorry, that's 1/4 inch plate. This is 1/8 inch plate. This is 1 inch bar stock. And this is some 1/8 inch wall tubing. Gonna tack it up, get it ready. But we're gonna do some aluminum MIG welding.
Alright, here we go with the aluminum MIG welding. Now in this first one, like a dum-dum, I'm pulling it instead of pushing it. Although the gun is almost at a 90-degree angle. But you definitely want to push it. If you pull it, you're going to get a smoky residue. It doesn't affect the weld, but it is pretty ugly. Alright, here we go again. This is the 1/4 inch, another fillet joint. Kind of manipulating that, trying to spread the puddle out onto both sides of the joint. This is hot. I mean, it is making some noises and spraying some metal. Here we go again on the butt joint. This one I just couldn't get quite right. I think the material was too thin to be putting down this much metal, trying to get it to go in there. But hell, we tried, and you'll see the money shot. Here we go with another fillet on the 1/4 inch piece. This time we are at more of a push angle. You can see I'm manipulating that spool gun, trying to get everything to coalesce into the center. This is a little tricky. Inch fillet joint, you can see I just moved way too fast in my up and down motion. There's the 1/4 inch fillet, looking a lot better. This is the butt joint. You can see it's just burnt right into there. And here's another shot of the back of the butt joint, showing you that it really penetrated. These are just a couple of beads that I ran on the back of that 1 inch thick aluminum, basically stringers. It really lays down the metal fast. You've got to really move, and you can see we've got some dingleberries there. You got a little bit of splatter going on. If you want to give aluminum MIG welding a try, keep in mind that it's spray transfer and that you're going to need 100% argon, and you need to keep your stick out at least 3/4 of an inch so that the wire doesn't burn back and melt itself to the contact tip. But give it a shot. If your machine can take a spool gun, they're generally in the $250 to $350 range. But one of the nice things is you can take that spool gun and put a little 4 inch roll of steel wire in there and use it too. So say you've got 035 or 045 wire in your machine, you could put some 024 or something like that in the spool gun, and without having to swap everything out, you can have that for little repairs. Well, that's about it. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.